So there are a fair number of people who think that creating artificial intelligence fact-checking is heresy.
Power of artificial intelligence, or AI, magnified.
It risks fueling propaganda and bias.
AI's potential impact on employment that could soon be felt.
I'd be lying if I didn't share that there's a fair number in my own profession who think that way. But I don't think you can stop people from using new technology. And increasingly, people are using the language models to try to check the veracity of what they're reading. So at Get Facts, we're an organization, by the way, volunteers, military veterans, creative Canadians, fact checkers. We think we have an obligation to try to make the best AI fact checker out there. So we created Laura. Now, that's the name we gave her after the heroine of the War of 1812. Laura Secord was the amazingly strong woman who would sneak from the American side of the Niagara River to the British side to tell the Brits what the Americans were up to. And the way we use Laura is you cut and paste the story that you're reading, and you put it in the search bar. And then Laura scans the best verified sources around the world and delivers to you what parts of what you're reading are verified, what parts are not verified, and what are a little bit suspicious. Right now, we need as many of you as possible to give Laura a try so that she can learn through you when she's right and when she is still way off base. We want to thank you for being patient as we once again send Laura behind enemy lines to get facts. That's getfact.ca.